Hi, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing. So today we're going to talk a little quick tip about pantry organization, kitchen organization, and kind of corralling those snacks. So the idea is in a pantry, we want to make as much as possible visible so we can utilize the things we have and reduce food waste. So there's a few tools that we love to use. One is a Lazy Susan that has compartments on it, so you can kind of section off different snacks. You can easily turn it. You can see what's in the back, what's in the front. Those can be very versatile, especially for deep corners in a pantry or even in a cabinet. Can't get to the back. A turntable or Lazy Susan can be super effective. The second thing that we like is just a bin of your choice, right? So if that's acrylic clear bin that you can label, you can see what's inside. Some people also just prefer the aesthetic of something a little more opaque, but just having a label on there, such as snacks or sweets or cooking, baking, maybe even grains, stuff like that. So we want you to categorize your items and then try to contain them. That way, when you go to cook, when you go to get your snacks, or maybe your family members and your kids, they can easily see everything they need. You can use it when you need it, put it away when you need it, but also you're reducing your overall food waste. So let us know how that goes. Give your pantry a little revamp and utilize these techniques, and let us know how it goes for you in the comments. We will see you next week.